Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS Tech OS, and this is the newest video in our tech list with the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro hands-on. You can check all the features it includes in Huawei Mate 20 comes with the 3 camera setup and a water drop notch with the Leica lens setup, and it comes with the back fingerprint sensor, and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with the front fingerprint sensor in display fingerprint sensor, and comes with the curved display with the 40 megapixels 3 camera lens setup from Leica, and the display of Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro are OLED. So you will first time in the history of mobile world, Huawei have launched a phone with the charging capabilities of iPhone or other wireless phones. So you can charge any other wireless charging phone from the Huawei Mate 20 Pro by tapping on our option in wireless charging in settings, and you can place any phone which supports the wireless charging on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It will give you a fast charge, and it comes with the 4200 ampere power from Huawei with the 40 megapixel camera with the trilens setup from Leica, supports 4x zoom or 3x zoom. You can see what on paper with the naked eye or this camera. Here are some examples you can see in this video. Mate 20 Pro comes with the bigger notch from Mate 20 cause the Face ID.
这是0.6倍的变焦，所以这也就是那颗广角镜头所采集到的画面。我们来比一下0.6倍，然后是1倍，可以看到1倍和0.6倍之间的区别还是比较大的，可以取到更多的内容、更多的效果。然后其实呢，通过这颗广